How to remove a payment method on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a payment method on Uber Eats. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the account icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account section. Now from here, simply tap on the wallet or payment option at the top, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the wallet page. Now here, depending on your app version, you'll see different payment method. So here, simply find the card or payment method that you want to remove and simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the section, you can just tap on remove and then confirm your choice when prompted. And keep in mind that if it is your only active payment method, you need to add another one first before removing it. And that's it. That's how you can remove a payment method on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.